Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I am using the arch tree in my home this year, and I'm going to share with you how I'm decorating it. So if this interests you, by all means, go ahead, get that coffee, that tea, or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink. Get a snack, sit back and relax, and I will do the work for you. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Stick around.
My style is simple, easy, and lovely. So come and decorate with me this holiday season. And from my YouTube family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
So guys, I've added the strands of ornaments throughout the tree. Next, I'm choosing to place the larger ornaments at the bottom, and then I will go in and add individual ornaments as well as picks to get that beautiful, elegant look that I am seeking. Okay guys, I'm gonna bring you in for a closer look at the reveal here. I've added this bow here and I need to straighten that little portion out right there. Let me do that. Give me just a second. Okay guys, this is how I've chosen to decorate this Christmas tree arch here. And this is one that I picked up from Michael's, I think last year, and I ended up paying $20 out of pocket. They had it on sale, I think at $99. Then I had some reward points that I used, and 20 bucks out of my pocket is what I paid. Actually, it was $19 and some change that I had to pay out of pocket. But I chose to decorate this using these absolutely beautiful blue ornaments, some of matte, some of shimmer and shine, and then some of texture. And then I added in these beautiful poinsettias here that you see. This gorgeous bow that I created needs to get up and give it a little fluff, but that's okay for right now. I also placed these branches throughout the top here and along the side, you will see. And then I went in and added some of these snowflake ornaments, or the little gems that you see there. Guess you can call these the chandelier hooks. But I just went in and added them throughout. You can see the branch, and then you can also see that I've got ornaments on the other side as well. It is lighted. So I've just gone through and placed picks throughout the arch here. I added another bow onto this side, kind of like on the side where the first one was in the middle, and then you will see lots of picks and ornaments. Now these ornaments here are the strand ornaments from Michael's, and here again more beautiful picks, floral picks. And then I added these strands of lights just to kind of weigh it out on the sides, because as you can see there is a gap between the wall and the arch, but that's okay, I'm making it work. On the bottom I used the multi-strand ornaments that I also got from Hobby Lobby. Place this skirt around it. I chose to go with the red, as I've included elements of red throughout, blue and greens. But yeah, this is how I have chosen to decorate this out. You can see the poinsettias are absolutely gorgeous. We have icicles, we have snowflakes, and again those strands. It's almost like the curtain lights, and I purchased these from Amazon, and I will link these in my description box below, as you can use these for any occasion. And I just think these little floor pieces are so beautiful. And again, we have shining ornaments, we have matte ornaments, and then we have textured ornaments. So I'm going to back you out so you can get a good look at the final reveal of how I chose to decorate my Christmas arch. And it's actually placed in my living room, which is adjacent to the dining room. And guys, you will get the home tour. My birthday is on December 22nd. So if I don't have this out on my birthday, as I normally do, because a lot has happened, we've had death in the family, and there's a funeral I will be attending. So if I don't have it out that day, look for something shortly thereafter. But here again, we place the ornaments around the bottom and the lights. And let's see. Alright guys, hope you have enjoyed how I have chosen to decorate this arch. Hopefully this will give you some inspiration just to let you know how you can use things and want to try something different. I thought this would be a little bit something different to try here, but yeah. Alright, if you're new, welcome. Hope you've enjoyed yourself. And if you want to be a part of the family, you love home decor, anything regarding the home, this is the perfect place for you. For some reason, I can't get these lights to stay separate, but I still think they are so cute. The ambiance that it adds. And these are battery operated, so I do have them tucked in at the top there somewhere.
Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi, the creator, putting on a show. I'm sharing do-it-yourself projects and home decor with the best budget ever. You see, that's what I do. Oh, it's Christmas time for styling and fun. We will make your home beautiful. My style is simple, easy, and lovely. So come and decorate with me this holiday season. And from my YouTube family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi, the creator, putting on a